The culmination of the 5-day socio-religious festival of the Meghalaya, better known as Shad Nongkrem at Smit, will culminate on the 25th of this month with bare minimum festivity. This was disclosed by the tribal chief of Hima, PM Dr. Balajit Singh's AM to the media today at Yengsat in Smit. All the rites and rituals to pay obeisance to God Almighty will be performed as in the previous years, and the merriment with a handful of male and female dancers will perform in front of the courtyard amid strict adherence of COVID-19 protocol. The preparation related to the rites and ritual of the Nongkrem dance has already started, as the traditional method of sending of message to all the traditional head via the knotted rings called kirwa has already been done. Kirwa is a bunch of key made up of bamboo.
Hapot tungkong jong yusap, thì hắn đi yêu du kurwa bagi lawa mo sirnjuk sisong site kurwa bangi yo imta kedai kebenta jong jeng pekrek jong ya kangu kedam ko sistem ko ba menta ko snem kalian niam ko syar hima kalong sa arte yuduna arsa arsantrik mentau punai nai bi arja arfo